Next, we are going to learn this kanji. This kanji is had the sound of kunyumi is mean and had the meaning of people or nation or subjects. This kanji don't have the kunyumi. You have only the original Chinese sound which say mean. Mean is people or nation. So you can see subject kokumin, which mean people of the country, something like this. So the next, let's go to see some example. This kanji also have the kunyomi, right? Which means tami, but actually they don't use. Shimin is mean citizen or citizenry or public. So when you see simin is she is the meaning of the city, right? Min is the people. So people in the city, so it means the citizen or citizenry or public. Kokumin is mean people of a country or nation or citizen or national is mean like this. You see that koku is mean have the meaning of country, right? So min is mean the people. So people in the country is mean the nation or the citizen or the national. They have the meaning like this. So when you translate to English, it depends to the sentence you are talking about or the situation that you are talking about. So you just know the meaning of the kanji, right? The next, jinmin is mean people or public. Jin is mean the person, min is the people. So jinmin you have the meaning of the people, which means the citizen of some country or some city. Imin is mean immigration or immigration. Imin is mean move, right? So min is the people. So move people is mean immigration or immigration. Minzoku is mean people, race, nation, ethnic group or ethnos. Min is mean the people, but zoku is mean for some group. So group of people is mean the nation or the people in the some country, something like this. Or ethnic group, small ethnic group. Shokuminchi is mean